Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing great. If you're watching me for the very first time, then hello, I'm Sahiti. I mostly talk about beauty, fashion and lifestyle in this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing my channel to catch up on all the fun. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from me. So as the title of the video suggests, this is the Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul and I bought like really basic things during the sale this time because I have a lot of products at my home and I wanted to complete them off before buying any new products. So all the products that I'll be showing you today are my necessities. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So the first product that I bought was this shower gel. Now this is embarrassing, but this is actually a men's shower gel. This is Nivea Men Active Clean Active Charcoal Deep Cleansing 3-in-1 Body, Face and Hair Shower Gel. So it suggests that it can be used on hair and face as well. So I bought this actually for my brother and we have a loofah free for this. And this is actually priced for $199, I guess. Where is the price?
A few moments later.
Yeah, this is actually priced for $199 and I think I got this for somewhere around $149 during sale. So we also get a loofah free for this, so I think this is a great deal. So the next product that I bought during the sale has to be this sweet wax strips. Now I don't have a habit of waxing my legs and hands. I thought this will be useful when I have to get my waxing done during emergency times. So we get like 20 wax strips in one single box and we also have some tissues that can be used after waxing. So this is originally priced for $199 again, but I got this for somewhere around $160. One box is enough for complete body. So I think this is a great deal, and if you are looking for something like this, I think you should get this because you have a lot of variants in this as well. I mean, I bought a variant that is sensitive skin. So yeah, that's about it. If you want a review about this, you have to stay tuned to my channel. I'll post a review very soon. So the next product I bought is again a bath essential. Now these are the set of loofahs. These are the set of loofahs that I bought from the brand called Vega. I don't know what it is. Let's call it Vega. So this is originally priced for $89. But I think I got it for 5 to 10 rupees less. I have some makeup brushes from the brand called Vega. I don't know how the quality of these will be, but I hope this will be nice. And the price is reasonable, so why not? So the next one is this L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. Now I have another charcoal mask from the brand called Wow, and the quality of that particular mask is good as well. But that's almost done and I wanted to try a new charcoal mask. So I bought this one and this is originally priced for $750, but I think I got this for somewhere around $550 or $450. So I'll mention the price on the screen so that you can understand. So I got this at great discount and I heard really great things about this one. So yeah. So the next product that I bought, products I have to say, are these sheet masks from the brand called Innisfree. So if you know me, you know that I stopped using sheet masks because they're not environment friendly and the glow that they give is temporary. The last time that I used a sheet mask was like 2 to 3 months back. I don't know. So this was from the brand called Innisfree and I love Innisfree sheet masks, and I recently discovered that Innisfree sheet masks are environment friendly. These are made from eucalyptus extracts. So that's a big yay from me because I love the rice variant of Innisfree sheet masks. It gives a nice glow and soft, supple feeling on your skin. And during the Pink Friday sale, we have an amazing offer going on with these sheets. These were in the 5+5 offer, like where I can buy 5 sheet masks and get 5 sheet masks free. So I bought 4 rice variants and 1 green tea variant, and I got 1 cucumber, 2 lime and 2 broccoli flavors, variants free. So that's an amazing deal and I was so happy because Innisfree sheet masks are my favorite. They hydrate your skin like anything. So the last product that I have to talk about in this video is this lip balm from Vadi Herbals. Now if you follow me, you might have seen this in my previous videos. I bought this in mint variant and this gives that cool sensation whenever I apply on my lips. So this is priced at 58 rupees, which is great, and I got it for 45 during the sale. Now this also provides active UV block. I mean, it also provides some UV protection. Now UV protection has become mandatory for lip balms as well, because UV protection will help you from sunburns and pigmentation. So if you're looking for a great lip balm under 50 rupees, this is amazing. Don't even think twice. Just get this one and thank me later. So that's about it, guys. This is my simple and basic Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. So sales are very much overwhelming and we tend to buy a lot of things that we don't actually need. So this time I have controlled myself and I bought only my necessities. So sales are like business tactics, they come and go. So you have to figure out what you actually need and invest your money on them. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again with another amazing video. Until then, please take care, keep smiling, be kind, and